Welcome to our video, Top 9 Must-Have Tools for Professionals and DIY Enthusiasts. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 9. This handy tool is specifically designed for constructing and repairing animal cages. Made from high-quality manganese steel and plastic, it ensures durability and reliability for heavy-duty use. Ideal for wire diameters of 1 centimeter or less, it supports cages for various animals, including rabbits, foxes, and minks. Its ergonomic design simplifies installation, making it an excellent choice for both professionals and hobbyists. Number 8. This multifunctional tool is perfect for on-the-go tasks. Crafted from chrome vanadium steel, it is built for durability and corrosion resistance. With 8 interchangeable magnetic tips, it securely fastens screws, making it ideal for precision work. The ergonomic non-slip handle ensures comfort during extended use, making this an essential addition to any toolkit. Number 7. Transform your electric drill into a versatile saw with this cost-effective adapter. Designed for easy assembly, it offers a user-friendly experience while delivering powerful cutting capabilities for wood, metal, and more. Featuring a steel saw blade chuck, it allows for quick tool-free blade changes. Its durable ABS handle and robust metal blades ensure long-lasting performance. Number 6. A true multitasking powerhouse, the Next Tool Gemini combines a rechargeable electric screwdriver, precision tools, and a knife into a compact, portable design. Its multifunctional features make it perfect for a wide range of applications, from home repairs to outdoor adventures. Durable and efficient, this tool simplifies your tasks while saving space in your toolbox. Number 5. This innovative wire twisting tool, made from high-speed steel, combines efficiency with durability. Attach it to your power drill for quick, effortless wire twisting and stripping. The built-in insulating tape peeler makes this tool indispensable for electrical work, saving time and reducing repetitive strain on your hands. Number 4. Designed for electricians, this threading machine is equipped with a brushless motor for long-lasting performance. Its intelligent control module ensures precision by automatically stopping the line when it reaches the desired position. Featuring a dust-proof switch, labor-saving straps, and a large-capacity lithium battery, it guarantees safety, comfort, and efficiency for extended use. Number 3. This cordless angle grinder is powered by a brushless motor that offers a long service life and high efficiency. With a rotation speed of 19,500 RPM, it handles tasks like polishing, grinding, and cutting with ease. The ergonomic handle and thickened baffle design enhance safety and comfort during operation, while its wide applications make it a versatile tool for professionals and DIYers alike. Number 2. This multifunctional scribing tool is essential for precision marking in construction and woodworking projects. Capable of outlining circles, lines, and angles, it's perfect for tiling and paving tasks. Its durable construction ensures consistent performance, while its versatility makes it an indispensable companion for any craftsman. Number 1. Designed for metalworking and construction tasks, this semi-automatic rebar wire twister simplifies repetitive tying and binding work. Made from durable stainless steel, it ensures reliable performance and longevity. The anti-slip ergonomic handle reduces hand fatigue, making it comfortable to use during extended periods. Compact and portable, it's perfect for on-site projects. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.